How to reset Google password if forgotten on Android. So if you want to reset Google password if forgotten on Android, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Google application. Once you open up your Google, go with search. Under search, you need to search for Google Recovery. Once you've searched, now you just need to simply go with the first option, which is how to recover your Google account or your Gmail. Once you tap on it, it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to simply scroll down, go with recover your Google account or Gmail under you forgot your password. Tap on it and it will take you to account recovery page from where you'll need to enter the email or the phone number in which you would like to recover. So enter that. After that, now you can simply use your fingerprint, face or screen lock to, but if you don't have the passkey, then you can simply go with try another way, which is here on the left side, and then you can enter your password, or you can again go with try another way, and it will take you to the mobile number page from where you can either receive a code or you can receive a call from the mobile number which you've just used to create your account. And once you get the verification code, you can enter the verification code and reset your password. But in my case, Google already confirmed that this is my phone, and this helps to show that it's really me that's trying to sign in. So you can simply go with continue, which is on the right side. And after that, here on the left side, you will have update password option. So you can simply go with update password if you want to reset the Google password. But if you don't want to reset and if you want to continue and log in, then you can go with continue. But if you want to reset, then go with update password. And from here, you can create a new password and then again confirm it. And after that, go with save password, which is on the bottom right. And this way you'll be able to reset your Google password if you've forgotten on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.